In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Klaviyo certification in just a few simple steps. This process is straightforward and can open the door to a wealth of knowledge in email marketing and automation. So let's dive right in and guide you through it. First, you'll want to head over to academy.klaviyo.com. This is where all the magic happens, as Klaviyo offers a wide range of learning opportunities and certifications that are particularly useful for those looking to hone their skills in this field. If you already have a Klaviyo account, simply sign in. If not, you'll need to create one. This step is crucial because having an account not only allows you access to the platform's resources, but also keeps track of your progress as you make your way through the course materials. Once you're signed in, your next step is to locate the View All Resources button. This option will open up a comprehensive list of everything that Klaviyo has to offer in terms of learning materials and courses. This is your gateway to the wealth of knowledge provided by Klaviyo. As you browse through the available certification courses, take your time to explore which course matches your current skill level and learning goals. Klaviyo offers a variety of options, so finding the right course for you is essential. Once you've made your decision, clicking on Get Started is your next step. After enrolling, you will find a series of lessons and modules available to you. It's important to pace yourself while watching these lessons and completing the modules. These are designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of the topics, so make sure to absorb as much information as possible. When you're done with the lessons, it's time for the final assessment or exam. This is your opportunity to demonstrate the knowledge you've gained throughout the course. Make sure to review your notes and go over any topics you found challenging to ensure you're prepared. Exam is your ticket to earning the coveted Klaviyo certification. Not only is this a testament to your hard work and dedication, but it also serves as a valuable addition to your professional credentials in the world of digital marketing. Finally, after you've passed the exam, you'll have the ability to download or share your certificate. This is a significant milestone in your learning journey, and sharing your accomplishment with peers and colleagues can be a great way to showcase your expertise. And there you have it. Following these steps will set you on the path to becoming Klaviyo certified, empowering you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in the world of email marketing and automation. Good luck and happy learning.